Hi everyone, this is Yin from Craftivity, and I would like to introduce you to our business startup candle making set. This set helps you to make 20 large candles. The size of the candle jar is 180 grams. This means that this candle can burn up to 3 days depending on the environment the candle is in. Now in this set, we have done all the research possible for you to make candles in your kitchen, easy peasy. We have created this candle kit so that you get to make candles and start your business immediately. It's really easy to make 20 large candles with this kit. And this kit comes with a full set with all the research done so that you can create candles that are safe, secure, and beautiful to start selling. Making a candle is not easy. Many hours go into researching a candle, burning the candle, blending the candle, making sure it works and burns okay. There's a lot of hours of R&D and a lot of wastages that need to go into making a candle. You need to make sure the jar is okay and safe to be used as candles. You need to make sure the wick suits the jar, and the wick and the wax can suit the jar as well. You need to make sure the fragrance you use is safe for candle making. So everything combined makes a perfect candle. A lot of hours goes into making the perfect candle, and this is where we cut short your candle making journey and process by giving you this kit that helps you do it at a fraction of time, at a fraction of the cost. So in this kit, let me walk you through this kit. Is 20 jars of amber glass candle jars. Now these jars are made specifically for candle making. They come with a wooden lid that fits securely and is airtight. This makes it safe for candles, it protects candles, and it also retains the scent inside the candle jar. This glass holds approximately 180 grams of soy wax, and you get 20 of these jars in this business starter kit. You get enough soy wax to fill up all these jars, and we are using perfect pour soy wax. This is the only soy wax we work in, and I fully recommend this to any candle maker. Perfect pour soy wax creates smooth surface top candles, very luxurious premium candles that are created at a fraction of the time used in other candle making. When you work with soy waxes, you will know that there are soy waxes in the market, depending on the grade, that creates a lot of crevices and holes. The surfaces need to be topped up or needs to be melted down again. It takes a longer time to work with some soy waxes, and some soy waxes you need to blend in order for it to be stable. With perfect pour, you don't need to blend the candles, you don't need to check the temperature, you just melt it down, add fragrances, and pour it into the jar, and it's good to go. So this cuts short your candle making time. Your turnover for creating candles is a lot faster. You produce in bulk in a very much faster rate, and in overall, the cost is more effective for you. So like I said, we've done all the research and we've tested a lot of grades of soy wax, and I really believe that this one is a game changer, especially for a beginner candle making business like yours. In this kit, there is a range of fragrance oils that we have specially chosen, which are top sellers in our brand, to help you launch your candle making business as soon as possible. Now, these fragrances are very popular, and they will create a sensational response from your customers. These fragrances have great central. We've received many good reviews from candle makers, and we've been using these fragrances for many years. So we've done the R&D and the research, so you can rest in peace and work and make your own candles without worrying about all these technical nitty-gritty details. Along with this kit, we have the wick that comes with this candle. So this wick matches the size and diameter of the candle, which also matches the soy wax that we are using and the fragrances we are using. So you don't need to do any R&D on the wicks that you are using. There are many wicks in the market, and we have managed to match this wick to this jar, to this range of raw ingredients. So you get to make candles really, really super quick. Along with this kit, you will get tools that you can use for many candle making projects to come. You will have a digital scale right here, enough glue dots to glue your wick to the jar. You will have a set of wooden wick holders to centralize your wick so that it stays upright when the candle is cooling down after you pour the hot melted wax. It's very important to keep your wick in the middle of a candle so that it doesn't burn lopsided. You will also get a scientific grade glass beaker for you to measure your fragrances. This kit comes with a glass stirrer to mix and stir your wax with fragrance, and also a stainless steel cup to melt the wax in. Now all you need that is not in this kit is in your kitchen. All you need is a stove and a pot with water. You need a pot with water to put this cup in, fill this cup with wax, and then you simmer the water so that the wax melts like a double boiling method. And that's all you need. So in order to learn how to make candles using this kit, this business startup set comes with a complimentary master ebook on candle making. We created this ebook for beginner candle makers and intermediate candle makers so that you learn everything there is to know about candle making, ingredients, tools, candles, do's and don'ts, as well as how to take care of your candle and candle making mistakes that you have to watch out for. In this kit also, you get a step-by-step instruction on how to turn all these ingredients and tools into 20 perfectly made candles that you can start selling immediately. So if you're a beginner candle maker interested in making 20 candles at one go, this kit is for you. Quick steps on how to make candle is to melt the wax down, add the fragrance after, attach the wick to the middle of the candle and pour. It's that simple. And all the research has been done for you with this startup kit. We have many other business startup kits available, including ones with smaller jars for you, depending on how you'd like to sell your product. To start a business, you think about the cost of this kit and you calculate it to the cost of a candle and the selling price of a candle. A candle jar like this in the market can cost anywhere between 75 ringgit to 95 ringgit. How to create more value in your candles is to create better packaging, a beautiful label, a story, maybe even link up to certain organizations or charities that you love to support, and to speak directly and honestly and authentically to the target audience that you want to reach out to. It is a very lucrative business to get into, and candle industry is a multi-billion-dollar business. So this is your start to a journey that is very fulfilling, creating many different candles, and it helps you grow your knowledge in candle making. You can check out our website at www.craftivity.com for more information, for refills, for more options on fragrances and waxes and wicks.